these are the 5 ways that people usually make money as a digital nomad. I somehow agree with almost all of them, but I will give you the last one that for me is the best one of all. So the first one is to freelance work online. Yeah, you can work as a copywriter, you can make marketing, you can do a lot of stuff, but honestly, I don't know how much money you can make working online. I mean, if you work for somebody, remember that this person is going to pay you the minimum amount that they have to pay you to stay in the job and to maximize their profits. They want to maximize their profits, but they're not going to pay you to build the house next to theirs. So they aware that working for somebody else, it's not going to be eventually what's going to allow you to travel without working, which is the purpose of this video. Analyze if these are good alternatives to travel without working. You can use this money to then buy assets. And for example, tutor and teach as well. You can teach English overseas, but how much you earn teaching English? Like 10, 15, 20, $25 per hour? I mean, that's not a lot. Depending on where you live in the world, yeah, you can save money and then boom, buy some assets, buy some crypto, for example, but maybe it's not the best option. Rent out your home car space. This is, yeah, I like this one much more because it's more of a passive income. Here you are getting paid for your time. Here you are getting paid for what you own, which is great. So if you have a car or a house or space, great. Finding somebody that wants to rent long-term, that can be a good option. It can be a good option as well to find somebody to help you manage the Airbnb so you don't have to be there every single day. And, take care of people arriving, people leaving. So this can be a good option. Make passive income. Let's see what they say. They talk about, creating an online course. I really like this one. I think these are the best one probably, because creating an online course, this is something that I also share in my book, Travel Without Working. When you create this course that sells in automatic, in autopilot, 24/7, while you sleep, you boom, wake up and have sales. This is awesome. And honestly, it's not that difficult to create a course. Nowadays, you can just record it with your phone. It has a better camera than 99% of the courses 10 years or 15 years ago. And yeah, they were selling for millions, like all kinds of online courses 10, 15 years ago. And nowadays we have all this great gear. So easy, so handy. So definitely building an online course, you just need 2 pages. I will explain it in another video, but you need a landing page to share your great offer, your extraordinary offer, a checkout page, and that's it. And then a congratulations page. So like a page for when they purchase, but they can directly go to the members area and just start consuming your course and getting from point A to point B with your help. So that's what people pay you for this knowledge. And the great thing about courses is that you don't have to pay for stock or production, like with physical stuff happens. You can just record your knowledge and boom, that's it. Start selling, and you don't have expenses besides, the hosting and all that stuff. But I think that's a great idea. And let's see the last one they share here. Start a blog. I've talked to a lot of people that have blogs and try to monetize via marketing or ads. Yes, but it pays like cents. Like people that come and click on an affiliate link and buys a product, it pays cents. Like talk to people that have blogs or ask them how many hours did they put for the return of money. And then if they divide the amount of hours per money they've made, it's ridiculous. Like it's so small, the money per hour. So if we want to optimize this to get you to travel without working as soon as possible, I wouldn't recommend the blog. I would say the blog would be great to promote, for example, a book, promote a course, but not as the affiliate link thing. Check it out, value, and consider how much money you're going to make for your time. But maybe you have a better purpose for the blog. Maybe you can add affiliate links to a blog that is already pointing people towards a book or towards a course, towards some place that makes you more money. but with affiliate links, I don't know. And with ads, I don't know how much Google pays nowadays with Google Ads, right? These ads that appear inside your blog. So check it out. The best one, the one that I like and the one that I've made more money, much more money, I can say more than 3 years worth of an average salary in my country, is with investing. In 1 month of investing, my best month so far, it's been equal to 3 years of an average salary, 40 hours a week for the whole year, with what, 2 weeks vacations, like an average worker. It's crazy. And it was without working. So this is the power of making money with your mind instead of with your time. I could create courses and I could do all the marketing, but to make 3 years worth of a salary in 1 month, you have to have a great launch, a great product, or really solid business that you've been scaling for years. But definitely you're not going to start a business in one. Equally, like you're not going to start investing with $1,000 and in 1 month make 3 years worth of salary. But if you have a big principle, you have a good amount of money that you save with, for example, these options that pay you for your time or for your active involvement working, and you save this money and then you're ready to invest it, and it has a good month of growth in the investments. God damn it. With crypto, this works so well. So know when to buy, and I share this in my book, know when to buy, know when to sell, and lock those profits. So then if crypto goes down again, you don't have to worry about that. So if you want to know more about this, check it out, travelwithoutworking.com/book, and you can check it out, these 4 chapters, this method of saving, investing, protecting, and making money online. Yeah, you can also win awards like I did, or you can wake up to these sales every day. You can do it. Okay, it's not that difficult. It's not impossible. It's definitely possible. It has a step-by-step. And I would ask you, how can you make more money without working than with your active hours working? Because when you have this shift and you believe that you can make more money without working just by putting your money to work for you and generate more money instead of your time getting paid by your time, that it's limited, your energy is limited, then is when you unlock this compounding interest and this big machine, this big money machine in passive income. Here you have it. 5 ways plus 1, my favorite one, to make money as a digital nomad. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, be extraordinary. How can extraordinaries and I, Miquel, can help you travel without working? 4 ways. Number 1, subscribe to the channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you receive the next videos that digital nomads, online entrepreneurs, and perpetual travelers like you send me on private messages, on the comments. I solve these questions and I post them here regularly. 2, get a copy of my book. You will learn a lot of personal experiences that will help you transition from A to B to C. A, from working from others. I was selling running shoes 4 years ago. Then I moved to being my own boss, being bossless, and having my online company, which I sold my online courses, my info products, my knowledge online, to then travel without working. All the money that I made here in Phase B, I saved it and I invested. So now my money is making more money than the money can I produce with my active hours. You'll go from working for necessity to working for joy because you choose it. And eventually not having to work because your investments will make more money than you can make with your active hours. If you want to discover the exact strategies, hacks, and actionable steps that got me and can get you to travel without working, go to travelwithoutworking.com/book or click the link below. 3, if you want to take action and have the blueprint, the step-by-step to go from where you are right now in your working, wealth, freedom situation to travel without working, check out my course, Extraordinary Nomad, Travel Without Working.
at travelwithoutworking.com/course or here in the description below. And number 4, if you have a burning issue, you have something that needs to be solved really quickly, maybe you want to pay less than 3% of taxes a year, maybe you want a tailored investing plan, maybe you want to create the life of your dreams, maybe you want direct advice from me one-on-one. If that's your case, go to travelwithoutworking.com and send me a private message. You will find my contact there. Send me a message and we'll get in touch quickly.